And we believe that the best thing that will happen to APC in order to balance the Muslim ticket is to give a Christian, let them have a Christian Senate president, and also share other offices um, to the Christians. And as it be, the Southeast, for the first time in some years, have about 6 senators of APC extraction. We have two from um, Imo State, we have one from Abia State, and we have 3 from Ebonyi State. And we are appealing the national leadership of APC to zone the presidency of the Senate to the Southeast. So we are telling APC leadership, the 10th Assembly, the Senate, that they must amend their rules and allow a first timer, a man with experience, a man that is humble, a man who will not betray or rock the boat. So at this point in time, we know that Mr. Dave Umahi, being at the saddle as the president of the Senate, first, will restore peace in the Southeast. He is a candidate of the future. He has another opportunity to try. Buhari tried 4 times before he became the president. Aswaju never tried. He waited for over 20 years to support and build others before he gets to the place he is today. Politics is just not now thing.